I'm adding my lye water to my oils and just stick blending until emulsification. And then I'm going to be dividing my soap batter into the different colors that I have. I have black for charcoal. And you'll notice that I'm adding the black before I'm putting soap batter into my charcoal before I add the essential oils, and that is because I find charcoal really tends to thicken up my soap batter a little bit faster than the other colorants, and also sometimes the scent that you will use can also thicken up your batter. So I'm trying to keep everything balanced out by keeping everything the same fluidity because the pattern that we're going to be making, our soap needs to be fairly fluid or at least workable. It can be medium trace. And I added orange, lemon, and grapefruit essential oils, and now I'm going to mix my green. This is organic spirulina that I'm using, and I'm just gonna, it looks clumpy right now, but once I stick blend it, it's gonna smooth out and it'll be a nice green solid consistency. I'm also going to have a plain, no colors, and then the white is a white Brazilian clay that I am using from Rainforest Chica. We're going to see if that helps change the color at all to a more whiter color. Generally the white clays do not give that much color, but it might be enough to make a subtle difference. For the red today, I'm using Trial by Fire mica that I had received as a sample from Nurture Soap, and I actually also mixed it with some Himalayan rhubarb root from Ian George. The rhubarb root is usually like a tan or a brown in color, but once it mixes with the soap, it turns a beautiful red or magenta color, so I really enjoy working with it. So now we're just going to mix these colorants into the soap batter, and then we'll go ahead and pour our soap. Now using a skewer, I'm just going to place the skewer on the bottom of my mold and go back and forth perpendicular to the lines of soap that I had poured, creating a chevron pattern. And once that is complete, I am just going to swirl it as desired, and you can too. The chevron actually is really nice, and you could have stopped there and it would have been absolutely gorgeous, but I just wanted to give it a more, I just wanted to swirl it. So you'll see that in the video ahead. It is the next day. I gelled it. It's been 24 hours. It's unmolded. And now I'm going to be cutting my slab into 4 different logs. And then I'll chop up my soap into chunks, and then I'll cut it horizontally, and I'll show you the process in the video ahead.